This is for Mr. Johnnerell Camansa. Aksaya sa letter, no? Double, no? So, according to him, it is more on Padilla's formula. By the way, for all those who are fascinated and who appreciate the Padilla's formula for clock problems, by this time, you can see that it's really a very powerful formula that I developed, no? And it is applicable for most clock problems except for some. So, the Padilla's formula, I want to emphasize in its purest form or pure form is M, the minutes traveled by the minute hand, is 2/11 angle before plus minus angle after. It is plus if the minute hand is already ahead of the hour hand minus if the minute hand is still behind the hour hand. Okay? Alright. Now, when the before or the reference time is exact time, h o'clock, this is 00, then our angle before this one, the angle reference is h times 30. For example, 3 o'clock. That is 3 times 30. 30. It's, if it is 4 o'clock, 4 times 30, right? If it is 5 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 30 degrees. You get it? So, that makes this solution directly give the time when the reference time or the before is the exact time. But what about this one? It is past 3 o'clock. We do not know what exactly the time is, but we know it's past 3. Meaning, alas 3 pasado. Hindi natin alam to. What? Meaning the hour hand is between 3 and 4. This one. After 20 minutes, the minute hand will be as much ahead of the hour hand by as much as it was behind. Will be as much ahead of the hour hand as it was behind now. Now, the minute hand is behind. After 20 minutes, it will be ahead. Ahead by how much? By as much. Huh? Ibig sabihin, the angle now between the hour hand and minute hand will be the same as the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. The only thing different is that the minute hand will be ahead, now it is behind. Huh? So 20 minutes, it is something like this. 4 partitions. But it is not mentioned that the minute hand is towards 12. So if we will draw it properly, our minute hand now is this one. 20 minutes after, so there will be 4 partitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus this one. It will be here. From here to here, this takes 20 minutes for the minute hand. You get it? So, meaning the hour hand will also travel. It will travel to this position. So, the bold line, the solid line represents the hands of the clock now. The dotted lines represent the hands of the clock after 20 minutes. What? So the problem says, this is, if this angle between them is theta, this angle after them is also theta. The minute hand will be as much as it was behind now. You follow? After 20 minutes. What is theta? Now, applying the pure form of Padilla's formula, this is the before, this is the after. Right? The before is the solid line, the after is the hidden line. Now, and from the before to after, it is 20 minutes. So, substituting that here, you have 20 minutes is equal to 2/11. The angle before is theta. The angle after is theta. plus because the minute hand is already ahead of the minute hand. You get it? Okay. So solving theta here, you solve this equation, your theta is equal to 55 degrees. You get it? Okay. Now, let us solve now the time. The time is alas tres m. Now, using now 3 o'clock as the reference time, this is your H. Therefore, Rm now is equal to 2/11. This is 3 times 30. 3 o'clock, that is 90 degrees. Right? Let me put here 3 times 30. Now, the minute hand is behind the hour hand. So, this is minus theta. You substitute 55 degrees here. You solve this. This is going to be 6.36 minutes. The time now is alas 3:06.36. The time after 20 minutes, of course, plus 20 of this. So, 3:26.36. You get it?
Whoa.
Anyway, let me use Padilla's formula again. M after 20 minutes is 2/11. 3 times 30. This time, the minute hand is ahead of the hour hand. So, this must be plus theta. Theta is 55. You compute this. This is going to be 26.36. After 20 minutes of this, the time is alas 3:26.36. You follow? You get it? It's simple. The beauty of that is, for example, it says, after 20 minutes, the minute hand will be thrice as much ahead of the hour hand as it is behind now. So, meaning, this is theta. When he returned, this is 3 theta. So, the equation will become 20 minutes is 2/11. Before it was theta, when he returned, thrice as much, 3 theta. So, in this situation, theta is going to be 27.5 degrees. The angle before, okay, and 3 theta is the angle after. Angle after. Okay? Which is thrice of this, 82 degrees, 0.5, 82.5 degrees. This is the one that you will substitute here. This is the one that you will substitute here to find the angle before and the angle after 20 minutes. You follow? You get it? So, powerful. So, the Padilla's formula is not limited to having the reference as the H o'clock mark. So, any reference will do. You get it? You follow? Okay? You get it?